Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make easy cucumber smoothie. We only need half of the cucumber, one banana, and also one peach. Then we are going to add a little bit of fresh parsley. If you're gonna make this easy cucumber smoothie, just adjust all the ingredients according to your need. And also to make it sweeter, we are going to add 4 dates and a cup of water. That's it. Just blend it for a few seconds. And finally, here is our easy cucumber smoothie. Looks so good and really healthy drink. Alright guys, this is it for today. If you have any suggestion or comment, just comment it down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.